State-owned Petrotrin is appealing an injunction from the industrial court which puts a halt on the termination of employees from that company. The appeal was filed around 4 on Tuesday afternoon. Among its 15 grounds of appeal, Petrotrin argues that the industrial court erred in its judgment in a number of areas, among them granting the injunction when it had no jurisdiction to do so in an industrial relations complaint. The company also argues that the court erred in law by failing to consider sufficiently all relevant factors in determining where the greater risk of injustice lies, and the uncontested evidence of Petrotrin Chairman Wilfred Espinet and Vishnu Dhanpaul of the effects on the appellant, the government, the national interest, and the community as a whole. The Banking, Insurance and General Workers Union has come out strongly in defense of the industrial court. President of the union, Vincent Cabrera, is questioning recent statements by Petrotrin Chairman Wilfred Espinet on the relevance of this court.
We are of the view that Mr. Espinet is of the view that he's above the law. He's of the view that employers are above the law. Because when you reach a stage where you are questioning the relevance of a court, that to my mind is clear contempt. Would Mr. Espinet go to the High Court and make a statement that he's questioning the relevance of the High Court? You see, a lot of these employers regard the industrial court as some kind of inferior court, but it's a superior court of record.
Mr. Cabrera says no one should be allowed to make disparaging comments about the industrial court, especially while a matter is being heard.
The industrial relations system in the country has become totally dysfunctional because other employers will follow the lead of Mr. Espinet. So while we have become accustomed with attacks on the trade union movement itself, it would appear that the attack on the industrial court is a new law. The employers have now, so Mr. Espinet, have come to a new law, and it should be condemned in the strongest manner.
Mr. Cabrera says Mr. Espinet is attempting to intimidate the industrial court with what he terms rude and inappropriate statements. He asks the question what the response would be if the shoe were on the other foot.
Because what if trade unions begin to attack the industrial court all over the place when we lose a matter before the court and saying it is not relevant and all? No, come. Something has to be done here. We cannot sit idly by and allow Mr. Espinet to treat the industrial court as if it is private rag or its private mat to wipe his feet upon. We condemn this action on his part very strongly.